Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this baked spinach and artichoke dip. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we are cooking from my Live Life Keto cookbook. We are making this amazing spinach and artichoke dip. Look at how amazing this looks. And you could use keto crackers for dipping, but I like to use mini peppers. That's what I would recommend, or any vegetable, celery, it doesn't matter. So yeah, let's get started with this easy recipe because it is literally just dump and go. I've got my oven preheated to 400 because this bakes in the oven. And now we're gonna add all of the ingredients to this bowl and mix them up. First things first, I've got 12 ounces of spinach. It was frozen spinach. And you just get a bag of frozen spinach from the grocery store. Make sure it's 12 ounces. Heat it in the microwave like the bag tells you to, and then you're going to want to squeeze out as much liquid as you can. And that's what I've done here. And you can see you're not left with a whole lot of spinach. But if you wanted to use fresh spinach, you could definitely do that. What I would do is like steam it to get it really broken down. Like this, chopping it would even make it even easier to get broken down, and then squeeze the liquid out. That's all you gotta do. I've got a 13-ounce can of artichoke hearts that have been chopped. So we're gonna add that. You can't have spinach artichoke dip without spinach and artichokes. I've got 8 ounces of cream cheese that is softened and then cut into smaller portions. And you really want it to be really nice and soft so it's easy to mix. I've got a cup of sour cream, a cup of shredded Parmesan. Oh, that was shredded mozzarella. This is shredded Parmesan. A cup of shredded mozzarella and a cup of shredded Parmesan. And 4 cloves of garlic minced. So now we're gonna mix this up. This recipe is perfect for the upcoming holiday season with all of the holiday parties. We're also going to add a teaspoon of kosher salt and then a half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Okay, this is ready for our baking dish. I've got a 3-quart baking dish that I sprayed with cooking spray, and now I'm going to dump this in here. And the instructions say to leave half a cup of Parmesan cheese for the top, and I forgot. So be sure you do that. And so now we're going to spread this out into an even layer. Perfect. This is going to bake in a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Okay, our spinach and artichoke dip is out of the oven and it looks amazing. I've got these keto carrot seed crackers from Kroger. They are Simple Truth brand. These are so good. So let's try a bite. Look at that. Oh, look at all that cheese. But it's got a lot of spinach in it, so I like that. The perfect bite. This is the perfect appetizer recipe. It's the perfect spinach artichoke dip. It's so good. So if you want the recipe, be sure you check out my cookbook. You can pre-order or order your copy down in the description below. There's a link. Or you can go to jenniferbands.com/keto cookbook, or you can Google Live Life Keto Cookbook and you can buy it wherever books are sold. So yeah, be sure you check out this, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.